Hello, Spencer with Townline Equipment. Today we're going to demo an 057 with a concrete hammer on it. In order to do this demonstration well, we got ourselves an 8-inch pad here that's reinforced with rebar. That's going to mimic a garage floor or a foundation or a frost wall that one might be using this machine to dismantle it with. Where we're going to first start is with the machine itself and some of the requirements you will need in order to put a hammer on, and then some of the features that the 057 has that makes this a very quick item to set up to an existing machine. So we'll start by talking about the hydraulics that a machine will need to run a hammer. Ideally, out on the stick you will have auxiliaries like this 057. So this 057 has a designated service to its thumb, and then it's got a secondary one that we have the hydraulic hammer plugged into. And then on your valve bank itself of the excavator, it's important to have a one-way valve, and what this one-way valve does is it takes all the fluid returning from the hammer and brings it directly back to tank. So on an 057 you'll find it located here at the front. The next area we need to go is into the dash and program our flow for the hammer. So now we're here at the dash in the excavator, and we're going to check to see if it's set up for the hammer. Turn the auxiliary on, page 1 on the side. We'll scroll down to auxiliary flow, control set. We'll enter that page, and we're going to want to get to number 2. So hit the far right button one more time. Now we're on page 2. What we want to do here is assign an image. There's the hammer. We're going to scroll all the way to the left port since that's the auxiliaries we're using. We're going to bump the left side all the way up since that's what's going to service the hammer. Once we're done with that, just page over to the center, and at this point turn the machine off. If you are interested in learning more about the hydraulic breaker or the KX057, please reach out to either our Pittsford, Vermont or Plainfield, New Hampshire store. For more information on these two units, visit our website, Townline Equipment. If you are interested in seeing more videos like this, please visit us on Facebook. Thank you, and have a good day.